Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today we are going to learn GK chapter 11 safety. What you are going to learn here children about the safety? Today we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, see, we should follow some safety rules. Read the sentences given below and write them in the correct place. What we should do children here? Here they have given some safety rules that we should write in the correct place in the given below. Okay, now first we will see what are they have given here. Okay children, see, play outdoor games at home. Play outdoor games at home. Handle scissors with care. Handle scissors with care. Say no to sweets from strangers. Say no to sweets from strangers. Walk on the footpath. Walk on the footpath. Board a moving bus. Board a moving bus. Watch TV from a distance. Watch TV from a distance. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Put pencil into ears and nose. Put pencils into ears and nose. Play with fire. Play with fire. Keep away from hot iron and sharp object. Keep away from hot iron and sharp object. Okay, now we'll see. I should not means what you should do and what you should not do. Okay, now see. Play outdoor games at home. Yes, children, you will play cricket in your home. You will play badminton in your home. No, you will play outside, right? Here they have given play outdoor games at home. It's no. You should not do that, right? So, we'll write in this column that what they have given here. PLAY, play. OUT, out. DOOR, door. GAMES, games. AT, at. HOME, home. Play outdoor games at home. I should not do that. Okay, from today you should not do all these activities you are doing means you should not do. Okay, next, watch TV from a distance. Yes, no children, you should do. No, you should do. Watch TV from a distance. Yes, you are going to see the TV in a distance itself. Okay, see, WATCH, watch TV. FROM, from a DISTANCE, distance. Watch TV from a distance. Next, handle scissors with care. Handle scissors with care. Yes, no children, you should do. No, you should handle the scissors with care. Okay, see here I am going to write here. Okay, handle, HANDLE, handle. SCISSORS, scissors. WITH with CARE, care. Okay, next, cross the road at zebra crossing. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, no children, you will all do. No, you will cross at the road with the help of your parents only. You should cross the roads, children. Okay, you are small. No, you should help your parents. You with the help of your parents only you should cross the road. Where you should cross the road? In the zebra crossing you should cross the road. Okay, see, you should do. Okay, cross the CROSS, cross. THE, the ROAD, road. AT, at. ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Okay, say no to sweets from strangers. Yes, no children, you will take the sweets from the strangers. No, you should not do like that. Okay, now yes, you should do that. Okay, you should not take sweets from the strangers. Okay, say yes. AY, say. NO, no. TO, SWEETS, sweets. FROM, from. STRANGERS, strangers. Okay, next, put pencils into ear and nose. Yes children, you will put your pencils and pencils into your ears and nose. No, you should not do that. Okay, see, PUT, put. pencil, pencil, into, ears, ears, and nose, nose. Okay. Next, we'll see next what they have given. Walk on the footpath. Walk on the footpath. Yes, no children, you'll always walk on the footpath, right? You'll not walk on the road, no? Very good. See, walk, walk, on, the, foot, foot, path, path. Walk on the footpath. Okay. Next, we'll see. Play with fire. Yes, no children, you'll play with fire, no? It will hurt you, it will harm you, it gives so much of pain. Okay, you'll not play, you should not do playing in a fire. Okay, play, play, with fire, fire, play with fire. Okay. Next, we'll see. Board a moving bus. Board a moving bus. You'll parents, some children, you'll see, no, in bus, the bus will be moving, some others will be climbing the bus. It is not a good manner. Okay, you should not do that. Okay, children, see, board, board, moving, moving, bus, bus. Okay. Next, see, keep away from hot iron and sharp objects. Keep away from hot iron and sharp objects. Yes, no children, you should be away from these things, right? Now we'll write here. Okay. Yes. See, keep, keep, away, from, hot, hot, iron, iron, and and sharp, sharp, objects, objects. Okay, you should be away from the hot iron and sharp objects. Now we'll see what you should do and what you should not do. Okay, see, what you should do: watch TV from a distance. You should watch TV from a distance. Okay. Handle scissors with care. Yes, you should handle the scissors with care. Okay. Next, cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, children, always you should cross the road at zebra crossing. Okay. Say no to sweets from strangers. Yes, children, anybody will come and take chocolates, I'll give in. No, you should not take. Okay, you should say that I'll not take. Okay, children. Next, walk on the footpath. Yes, always you should walk on the footpath. Okay. Keep away from hot iron and sharp objects. Yes, you should keep all the sharp objects like hot iron and sharp objects. Okay. Next, what you should not do: play outdoor games at home. You should not play outdoor games at home. Okay. Put pencils into ears and nose. Yes, you should not put any pencils into your nose and ears. Okay. Play with fire. Yes, you should not play with fire. Board a moving bus. Yes, you should not board a moving bus. Okay.